In the vast depths of Earth's ancient oceans, there lurked a predator unlike any other. Its size, power, and ferocity made it the undisputed ruler of the seas. Meet Megalodon, the ancient apex predator that prowled the oceans millions of years ago. With jaws capable of crushing bone and teeth sharper than daggers, this colossal shark dominated the prehistoric waters. Imagine a creature stretching up to 60 feet in length, dwarfing even the largest modern great white sharks. Megalodon's immense size and power allowed it to hunt with unparalleled efficiency. Studying Megalodon fossils gives us a glimpse into the ancient past, revealing clues about its diet, behavior, and evolutionary adaptations. Megalodon's diet likely consisted of large marine mammals such as whales, seals, and sea turtles. Its sheer size and crushing bite force made it a formidable predator, capable of taking down prey many times its size. Paleontologist. The disappearance of Megalodon from the fossil record around 3.6 million years ago remains one of paleontology's greatest mysteries. Understanding the factors that led to its extinction can provide valuable insights into the dynamics of ancient marine ecosystems. Though Megalodon may be long gone, its legacy lives on as a symbol of the awe-inspiring wonders of the ancient oceans. Join us as we continue to unravel the mysteries of this ancient apex predator and unlock the secrets of our planet's prehistoric past. Like, share, comment, and subscribe for more captivating content.